This set of books was owned by a Supreme Court justice. I'm a rare book collector. I collect books about the law. I want to talk about this set with you today. As I said, the set was owned by a Supreme Court justice. It was owned by David Souter, who passed away last year. You can see it is a 4-volume set, and I took one of the volumes out of its protective mylar sheath so I can share with you what exactly this set is. So not only is it really interesting to have a justice's set, but it's especially interesting in this case because this is the records of the Federal Convention by Max Farrand. And Max Farrand was a Yale law professor who wrote this, which is essentially the definitive account of the founding of our Constitution. This set is a revised and enlarged version. The original set was just 3 volumes. This is 4 volumes. This set was published in 1937. The original publication was made in 1911. Now, this set was what we would call a presentation copy. Now, a presentation copy is what it sounds like. It is literally a copy that has been presented to the recipient. So you can see here on the top of this box, this copy was a gift from the justice's law clerks to him in 1993. Justice Souter was a lover of books. He eventually had to move out of his farmhouse where he had lived because of structural issues with the house supporting the thousands of books that he owned. And after his death, those books have been dispersed and sold off. So this is a pretty remarkable set of books that was owned by a Supreme Court justice, and not just any old books, but the records of the Constitutional Convention themselves. One bonus that I have for you today, after Justice Souter's death last year, one of his clerks posted publicly in an article a list of Justice Souter's top 10 books that everyone should read. And so I'm going to post those right here, and you should feel free to pause the screen and take a look for yourself.